The system supports 6 testing methods: bubble point test, diffusive flow test, water intrusion test, combined BPDF test, pressure hold test, and ultrafiltration test. What sets the V10 apart is its remarkable testing speed, significantly faster than other comparable systems on the market. Once you've selected your desired test method, simply save the recipe. It will then be available for you to select anytime and with no limitation on storage capacity. Users can also select preset test methods with all key parameters loading automatically. In the test info section, you can optionally enter the filter serial number, filter element batch number, product name, product batch number, and lot number. All fields are optional, so you only fill in required information. Just hit the Start Test button, and the integrity test begins. Watch the status bar track progress in real time, while dynamic graphs display real-time pressure and flow data. And that's really all there is to it. Simple, intuitive, and compliant. So if you'd like to see a live demo, speak with one of our representatives, or simply learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.